OK, click on OK. Today concept name is Selenium. What is Selenium? Selenium is nothing but it is a software. Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Selenium having four components. Today concept is Selenium WebDriver. What is Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Selenium WebDriver is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. This set of programs we need to install or we need to configure into one user interface. We need to configure into one user interface. We need to configure into one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. If we want to write the Java programs, always we will use Eclipse. So Selenium WebDriver is nothing but Selenium WebDriver is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. This set of programs we need to configure or we need to install into one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. So how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? Next concept, how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. First, go to properties. No, sorry. Go to project. Go to project. Go to project. Right click on project. Right click on project. Go to properties. Java build path. Libraries. Add external jars. Add external jars. Choose the jars. Choose the jars. Add it. Click on OK. So this is not Eclipse. It is a Selenium WebDriver. So what is Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. These set of programs we need to configure into one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. So Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. Selenium WebDriver is very user friendly. Selenium WebDriver is very user friendly. Selenium WebDriver is very user friendly. Very user friendly. Using Selenium WebDriver, we can perform unlimited testing. We can perform unlimited testing. Using Selenium WebDriver, we can unlimited testing. That's the reason most of the people they are choosing nowadays Selenium WebDriver only. We will keep main focus only on Selenium WebDriver. We will keep main only focus only on Selenium WebDriver. So today concept is Selenium WebDriver. So first, how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Just go to project, right click on project, go to properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, choose the jars, add it, click on it. Right. Now already have downloaded Selenium WebDriver programs. Already have downloaded Selenium WebDriver programs. So these are the Selenium WebDriver programs. After this class, I will send you. These programs we need to configure into Eclipse. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? Today first concept, how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. So we have one file Sridevi. So already we created one project. We need to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Go to project, right click on project, just go to properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars. Already I have WebDriver programs already I told you in desktop. Control A, open, click on OK. Now this is not Selenium. This is Selenium WebDriver. This is not Eclipse. This is Selenium WebDriver. I configured Selenium WebDriver programs into this Eclipse. So it is a Selenium WebDriver. Go to SRC, take the new class. Class name is WD. Keep the mark public static void main, click on finish. So already we configured Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Just you should write WebDriver reference name WD equal to new Firefox driver. WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. WD dot get HTTP. If you want to work with Facebook, just you should write facebook.com. Just import the statement. Just WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver. What is this line? Where we learned from Java. So that is interface name, reference name equal to new class name. This is the only one line we learned from Java. Enough. You can learn Selenium. So WebDriver is a predefined class. WD reference name. WebDriver interface. WD reference name equal to new class name. In the place of class, I am taking WebDriver. If you want to work with Google Chrome, you can take Google Chrome driver. If you want to work with Internet Explorer driver. Save, click on run. Now wd.get http facebook.com. So it will open the Facebook page. So this is Selenium, madam. Simple. WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver. Only if you know only one line, more than enough. You can work with any application, any site. WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver. If you want to work with Google Chrome, or Google or Facebook, Twitter, any site, just http facebook.com, http gmail.com, http google.com, http youtube.com, http akhiledit.com. So you can use any site. So it will open Facebook. It is open Facebook. Right. If you want YouTube, just it will open YouTube. YouTube.com. Save. Click on that. it will open YouTube page. So if you want write these two lines, there is no need of Java, there is no need of anything. Without knowing anything, directly we can learn this Selenium. Even fourth class kid also you can learn Selenium. Even fourth class kid also. Madam Sridevi, madam, do you have any kids in your home?
Yes, sir.
How many years of your kid age is, ma?
I have 3 boys.
Hmm. All are boys only.
Ninth, third, and first.
Just you can bring on third class kid, so he can learn also Selenium.
Hmm.
So this is the YouTube. So it will open YouTube. If you want anything, for example, if you want Akil site, akilreddy.com, it will open Akil Reddy page. So here is no need of anything. If you want learn WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver wd.get/http akilreddy.com, there is no need of anything. Without knowing anything, directly we can write the script and we can invoke that application. What application you want, that application we can invoke here.
Whatever functions are in WebDriver, they come to Firefox.
Yeah, WebDriver is nothing but it is an interface panel.
That means it has common functions, right? Common
Yes.
methods.
Yes. WebDriver
So,
WD equal to reference name equal to new Firefox driver. So akilreddy.com. Here is any Java required, madam? Here is any Java required?
mhm.
Here is any Java required?
No.
Here is any Java required, madam?
No.
Right. So I want to enter username and password. I want to click on login button. I want to enter username and password. I want to enter username and password. I want to click on login button. No, 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 no. That is not correct, sir. 1 second, ma. 1 second. Please wait. Please, 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 please. Go to Google. No, any site you can take it. Just go to Google. Just orange HR. So hmm, this is the site. This is the site. Yes. Automatically username is admin, password is admin. That is okay. If it is Google, XPath will not come. Go to Firefox. Right. Yeah. Today, if you want to work with, if you want to enter username and password, if you want click on login button, compulsory we should have Firebug and Firepath. So first, if you want to work with, for example, we have one web application, ma. We have one web application like this is the web application. This is the Facebook application, for example. We have username field. This is the username field. This is the password field. For example, I want to click on sign in button. This is the button sign in. This is the button sign in. I want to enter username and password. I need to click on sign in button. So if you want to enter username compulsory each and every, this is the one, this is the web application. Total application is called web application. Each and every web application, each and every web element having one unique location that is called XPath. Each and every web element having one unique location that is called XPath. Password also one web element. This web element having one XPath. So sign in button is a web element. Sign in button also one web element. This element also having one XPath. That means unique location. That is called XPath. So first of all, we need to find out the XPath. So if you want to find out the XPath, compulsory we should have Firebug. We should have Firebug. What is Firebug? Firebug is nothing but it is a add-on of, it is a add-on of Firefox. It is a add-on of Firefox which is used for inspecting the web element. Firebug is nothing but it is a add-on of Firefox which is used for inspecting the web element. Inspecting the web element. So where exactly we can get Firebug? So in just we should download Firebug. So after getting Firebug, we can get automatically Firepath also. What is Firepath? It is also add-on of, it is also add-on of Firefox which is used for finding the XPath. Finding the XPath of the web element. Finding the XPath of the web element. So compulsory we should download Firebug and Firepath. How to download Firebug and Firepath I will explain you later. So first of all we will write the program. Right now we are at a Gmail page. I want to enter Gmail. We are at Facebook. First we are in Gmail, after that Facebook and akilreddy.com. Okay. Now we are at Facebook. We need to enter username and password. How to enter username and password? Just concentrate ma 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes you can complete. WD dot WebDriver reference. Just keep F. Automatically find element option will come. Just enter. By dot. Just enter X. XPath will come. Okay. Just give the XPath. Username XPath you are giving. Dot. Send keys. So if it is edit box, we will use send keys. Send keys. My ID Akil Reddy HYD 1 at gmail.com. This is the my ID I entered. So XPath I will give you later ma. Now I want to enter password. WD dot find element by dot XPath. I am giving XPath for example. I want to enter password dot send keys. I am giving send keys. Venkanna 143. Next WD dot find element by dot XPath. I am giving XPath dot click. Enough. So here you should remember only one point. This is the last point, madam. I will teach you today. That is, if it is edit box means some people they will call text box. Some people will call text box. Text box, select box. We will use send keys. We will use option is send keys. And button, radio button, link, checkbox. We will use click. This is the only one point you should remember. After this class, you can work with any application. So, Selenium is completed, madam. So, if it is any web application, we have only 6 types of buttons. One is text box, select box, button, radio button, link, checkbox. These are the buttons. Text box, select box we will use send keys, button, radio button, link and checkbox we will use click. If you know this concept, so you can work with any application, right? So if you want to get the XPath compulsory, we should have Firebug and Firepath. Next concept, how to download Firebug and Firepath. These 2 points you should remember. If it is text box or select box, text box we can say edit box, and select box we can say drop down box, list box, and combo box also we can say. So different names they will call with different names. But select box means edit, sorry, some we will select. So if it is text box, select box we will use send keys. If it is button or radio button or link or checkbox we will use click. Okay, right. Next, how to download Firebug and Firepath. Go to Mozilla Firefox. Go to Google. Download Firebug. How to download Firebug? Just click on second link. So we are using old, I will send you old Firefox, madam. Why I am sending old Firefox, I will tell you later. So I will send you old Firefox as well as I will send you old WebDriver programs. Why I am sending, I will tell you next class. So just click on an older version. Why? Because so I am using old WebDriver programs and as well as I am using old Firefox. So if you want to install Firebug, we need an older version. Just click on that. So here I am selecting anyone you can choose, but regularly I am using 1.9. So select 1.9. Click on 1.9.0. Click on 1.9.0. Click on 1.9.0. You should remember, ma, this is the recorded file. After class, this I will send you, but you should remember. Click on allow. After downloading Firebug, install now. We should restart the browser. Restart now. Each and every day I will explain you. Once if you download Firebug and Firepath, more than enough. Only one time installation in the computer. I need Firepath. I need Firepath. Just enter Firepath. Firepath, add-ons of Firefox. Add to Firefox. Click on allow. So each and every day I will show you. Restart now. So we will get Firebug and Firepath. Now I want to work with the Facebook page. How we can work with Facebook we will discuss. Facebook, just concentrate 2 minutes more, just 2 minutes. Facebook.com. Again to Facebook. So this username and password we have and login button also we have. So just concentrate. So this is the Firebug option. This is the Firebug. If you want Firebug, we can click. Otherwise, you can hide it. So each and every time we should select. This is the Firepath option. Here we can get XPath. How we can get XPath, I will explain you. Now I want to enter. So where exactly we will get Firebug? So I don't want Firebug. Hide Firebug. So Firebug installed or not? How we know? So there are two options. One option is after installing Firebug, here we can get this option. We can get that option. So that means so Firebug installed. Or otherwise we have another option. Go to Firefox, web developer, Firebug, web developer, Firebug. Yes, Firebug. So if you want if you want take the XPath of any web element, just each and every time we should add in, we should to activate this one. I activated, so it is came white. Just I'm keeping the cursor on email. Yes, so this is the email XPath. This is the XPath email. Come to here, paste here, Control V. Next I want to get the password XPath. Activate it. Once again we need to activate this cursor, this icon, madam. So this is very very important, madam. But I don't know how much you are understanding, I don't know. So this is the point. Each and every time we should activate. So activate it. Go to password field. Take the password XPath.
Sir, we are using Firepath or Firebug now?
Here Firepath.
Okay.
In the Firebug we can get Firepath option, madam. Control V. Now we need to click on sign in button. So this is the application. Activate it. I'm clicking on login button. Copy. Go to Eclipse. Control V. We are entering username and password. We are clicking on login button. If it is button, we should use click operation. Save, click on run. So it will go to Facebook. It will enter username and it will enter password. It will click on login button. That is the concept Selenium. So Selenium is finished, madam. Tomorrow onwards, no need to come to class. Selenium finished. After this class, you can work with any application. Any application. So already I told you, if it is text box or select box, we will use send keys. If it is button or link or radio box or check box, we will use click. So if it is any web application having only 6 types of button, 6 types of web elements. One is text box, select box. Yes, enter.
Sir, can you show me select box? Like,
I will show. Yes. I'm going to telugumatrimony.com. telugumatrimony.com. Here we can get all type of buttons, madam. First one, select box. Second one is
which one?
first one, the profile for it is a select box.
Okay. Like drop down.
No, drop down box, combo box, list box. Different people, different names. They will call with different names. Second one is text box. Second one is text box. Third one is radio button. Fourth one, select box. Day to month to year is a select box. So select box. Last one, select region select box. Mother tongue select box. Country select box. Mobile number select box. Email ID edit box. Login edit box. And check mark. It is a check box. Link. Privacy policy. It is a link. Register here. It is a button. We covered 6 buttons in the only one application, that is telugumatrimony.com. Okay, ma? Is there any doubt?
Sir, always we need to use XPath or?
We will discuss later.
Okay.